When it comes to well water, you'll typically find hard water, iron in the water, and occasionally you'll have bacteria. Well, here at True Headquarters, we have all three. Having that bacteria in the water, we had to design a system that would remove it. So we started with a hydrogen peroxide injector pump in a solution tank. In order to install this water treatment system that we have, we actually had to extend our pad that we had for our well and our pressure tank out about 4 feet. So the guys came out here one day and laid out a pad, poured it with concrete, set us up pretty nicely. The solution tank behind me will hold water in it. When the building runs water, hydrogen peroxide will pump into that tank, killing the bacteria. It's also going to oxidize the iron and remove the sulfur smell. After that water sits in that big solution tank for a while, it's going to move into our carbon filter. The carbon filter is going to remove all the hydrogen peroxide as well as the broken down iron and sulfur smell. After it leaves the carbon filter, we're going to go into our water softener where it's going to soften the water, giving the good water to the building.
For a free water test on your home or business, call True Plumbers today.